Hi guys, I'm so excited because I will be soon going to Frankfurt with my new workshop, Dreams and Mediumship. I'm so excited. I can't wait to bring you this new workshop. It is known to us that the Spirit often comes in our dreams. So we will learn when the Spirit comes in the dreams. How and when is different to just dreaming and have a vivid dream. When is it an encounter? How is truly an encounter and how to interact with Spirit in our dream state? But more importantly, we will also be learning about all the different types of dreams, all the different cycles, and we will learn by very practical techniques how to break these cycles, how to create the REM, the no REM, the lucid dreaming, the vivid dreaming cycles with our dreams, with our So we will be able to do astral traveling, out-of-body experiences, conscious dreaming on top of a spirit contact. We also have a very comfy floor. We have many blankets and we will be experiencing a lot during our workshops. So please, if you want to have fun, come along and join me here in Frankfurt very soon with the Frankfurter Ring. Thank you. Vielen Dank.